For numerous topics in the field of Industry 4.0, such as predictive maintenance, resource efficiency, good product analytics and other use cases, you realize relatively quickly that a solid database is the most important topic to be solved. To create such databases, the following challenges must be solved. Data from different sources are available in different formats and often have to be connected via different interfaces.
Ideally, the data is pre-processed close to the fabrication machine and can be processed directly at the edge. This enables us to implement even time-critical use cases in a high-performance and cost-efficient manner. An architecture that is both scalable and maintainable is indispensable.
In the demonstration factory Aachen, together with our partners Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, 9 Altitudes and Liebherr, we used the IoT Connector Box for connectivity, the point where OT and IT meets. All signals from an active production machine and its sensors are collected. In addition, we installed an edge server from HPE as a central computing unit.
Our claim in the realization is to adapt modern and established IT procedures into OT. To enable a scalable and maintainable architecture, we followed a microservice-based approach. This allows any data source to be connected via microservice. The different formats and interfaces are taken into account, converted to a uniform data format and provided centrally. The microservices are independent of the programming language and the hardware, since the interface to the rest of the architecture is standardized.
We see great potential for this solution approach in the area of smart manufacturing. With infrastructure as code, we are able to implement our architecture in customer environments more quickly across hardware and locations. Next, the project will be continued and extended by a zero trust security approach.